Enzyme kinetics. We all love enzyme kinetics. So every drug you give has a story, a rise, a fall, and sometimes a comeback. With first order kinetics, the rate at which the drug leaves the body is proportional to how much time there is. Take gentamicin, for example. You give 240 milligrams, and it has a volume of distribution of, let's say, 30. And that means that it's going to start at 8 milligrams per liter. And let's say we get our half-life of 4 hours. So after first half-life, it's going to be at 4. Second half-life, it's at 2. So our constant fraction eliminated per time in your first order kinetics means that after your 2 half-lives, we have 2 milligrams per liter. So here's our practice question. 60-year-old woman started on IV tobramycin, similar kinetics to gentamicin, and she gets 180 milligrams, and her volume of distribution is 20. So after a half-life, and a half-life is 3 hours, what is the serum concentration after 6 hours? So 180 divided by 20 gives us 9. After the first half-life, we're at 4.5. After the second, we're at 2.25. So that's your answer, 2.25. Hopefully this is helpful. Basically, the volume of distribution, VD, is the required volume if a drug were contained completely in the plasma. And the half-life is how much time it takes to lower the concentration by 50%. Okay, so just remember the only hard part about this is knowing that you have to take the drug concentration and like how much do you give them and divide it by the volume of distribution, and then half-life questions are pretty easy. I remember I had an MCAT question about the half-life. You just have to multiply, just keep halving, and figure out how many hours until you're good. But here the only hard part is just divide. Just divide by that VD, right? Because the higher the VD, the better it's going to disperse. So if it's like 240, that's like an insanely high amount. That means it's going to be like 240 milligrams are going to be completely distributed to the tissue. So yeah, just make sure you divide it first and then do the half-lifing. Like and subscribe. Woo!